Chapter 3. Advanced Word 2016 Techniques. Text Surf. In this chapter we will learn selecting text, font group, adding word art, changing text case, spelling and grammar check, subscript and superscript, using thesaurus, applying bullets and numbering, finding and replacing text, page orientation, adding margins, borders and shading. Formatting is the fine art of making the documents effective and attractive. Good formatting distinguishes different parts of the text and helps readers take in the message. Formatting can be applied to every element of the document, from a single character to entire paragraph. Headings should be big and bold, and important words need to resonate with emphasis. Word provides different features such as inserting and deleting text, spelling and grammar, thesaurus, find and replace, bullets and numbering, etc. Let's learn it by doing more work in Word 2016, selecting text. Selecting text is the first step before moving towards the formatting in the document. We need to select text to be able to apply formatting to that text. Follow the steps to select the text. Step 1. Click and drag with the mouse. Step 2. Double-click a word to select the word. Step 3. Triple-click in a paragraph to select the paragraph. Step 4. Click and drag in the document's selection area in the left margin. Font group. Every new document we will create use the preferred font style and font size. The font group is located on the Home tab. The most commonly used commands in the font group are font, choose among various fonts. Font size, change the size of the text. Bold, bold the text. Italic, italicize the text. Underline, underline the text. Strike through the text. Text highlight color, highlight the text. Font color, change the color of the text. Clear all formatting in the selection and return the text to its default. Tech Insights. In Word 2016, the default font style and font size is Calibri 11. Adding word art. Word art provides various decorative text styles. We can add any style to our document to display a decorative title or draw attention towards important information. We can quickly and easily add visual appeal to the text using word art. Follow the steps to change text to word art. Step 1. Select the text to convert to word art. Step 2. From the Insert tab in the text group, select word art. Step 3. Select an option from the drop-down list. Changing text case. Word 2016 facilitates changing the text case of the document to make it look attractive. Sometimes when we are working with a large document, we want to change the case of the words in a particular style. Follow the steps to change the case of selected text in a document. Step 1. Select the desired text to change the case. Step 2. Go to Home tab and click on the Change Case. Step 3. Do one of the following. To capitalize the first letter of a sentence and leave all other letters as lowercase, click Sentence Case. To exclude capital letters from the text, click lowercase. To capitalize all of the letters, click uppercase. To capitalize the first letter of each word and leave the other letters lowercase, click capitalize each word. To shift between two case views, for example, to shift between capitalize each word and the opposite, capitalize each word, click toggle case. Spelling and grammar check. It is common to make spelling and grammatical mistakes while typing, so it is important to review documents for spelling and grammar mistakes before distribution. Fortunately, Word simplifies this process by helping identify such mistakes in the document. The spelling mistakes are underlined with a red wavy line while grammatical mistakes are underlined with a blue line. Follow the steps to check the spelling and grammar errors. Step 1. From the Proofing group on the Review tab, select Spelling and Grammar. Step 2. Word 2016 will look for spelling and grammar errors starting from the location of the cursor in the document. Step 3. If Word finds a spelling error, a navigation pane similar to the one here will appear. Then we have the following options. Ignore, to leave the text as is in a specific instance but be notified if Word 2016 finds the same thing again, click Ignore once. Ignore all, to leave the text as is in this and future instances, click Ignore all. Adding a word to the dictionary will prevent Word 2016 from ever noting this word as being misspelled again. Change, to correct only this instance of the misspelling, click Change. Change all, to correct all instances of the misspelling throughout the document, click Change all. Step 4. If Word 2016 finds a grammar error, a dialog box similar to the one below will appear. Then we have the following options. Ignore, to leave the text as is in a specific instance but be notified if Word 2016 finds the same thing again, click Ignore. Change, to accept Word's suggested correction, click Change. At the bottom of the pane, we will see an explanation of the grammar error that Word has detected. Subscript and superscript. A subscript or superscript is a character that is set slightly below or above the normal line of type, respectively. For example, when we add a trademark, copyright, or other symbol to the presentation, we might want the symbol to appear slightly above the rest of the text. If we are creating a footnote, we might also want to do this with a number. Examples: subscript CO2, superscript 8th. Follow the steps to apply subscript or superscript formatting to text. Step 1. Select the character that is to be formatted as subscript or superscript. Step 2. On the Home tab, in the Font group, pick the Font dialog box launcher. Step 3. On the Font tab, under Effects, select the Superscript or Subscript checkbox. Step 4. Click on OK to apply the effect. Using Thesaurus. Word has an inbuilt dictionary called Thesaurus. It is a list of words grouped together containing synonyms and antonyms. Advantage can be taken to improve the documents. Using the Thesaurus, we can find and replace synonyms, different words with the same meaning, and antonyms, words with the opposite meaning of that words. Follow the steps to use Thesaurus. Step 1. Click the word in the document that we want to look up. Step 2. On the Review tab, click Thesaurus. Step 3. To use one of the words in the list of results or to search for more words, do one of the following. To replace the selected word with one of the words from the list, point to it, click the down arrow, then click Insert. To copy and paste a word from the list, point to it, click the down arrow, then click Copy. We can then paste the word anywhere we like. To look up additional related words, click a word in the list of results. Applying bullets and numbering. Word 2016 can automatically apply simple bullets and numbering to the lists in the documents as we type. A bullet is a dot or a symbol that is used wherever we want to display the text in the form of points. A bullet can be given when the order of the points does not matter, i.e., unordered. An ordered or numbered list can be used whenever we want to display the points in some sequence. Follow the steps to apply bullets and numbering. Step 1. Select the text. Step 2. Click on the Bullets button in the paragraph group in the Home tab. Step 3. From the Bullet Library menu, choose a bullet design and the new bullet design will appear at the cursor location. Step 4. The text is bulleted and the indents are automatically adjusted to separate the text from the bullets. Finding and replacing text. After typing a document, we may want to search for a specific word or a phrase. Instead of reading through the entire document, we can use the Find feature of Word. Besides finding text, we can also replace the occurrence of a given word if it is frequently misspelled. Replace feature replaces the selected text or word with an alternate text. This is particularly handy in long documents. Using the Find command. The Find command can search for a single character, word or a group of words. To make searching faster, we can either search an entire document or just a specific part of a document. Follow the steps to use the Find command. Step 1. Click the Home tab and then click the editing icon and then click the Find command. The Find and Replace dialog box will appear. Step 2. Click in the Find What text box and type a word or phrase to find. Step 3. Click one of the following buttons. Find All searches the entire document. Find Next searches from the current cursor location to the end of the document. Step 4. Click Find Next to search for additional occurrences of the text typed. Step 5. Click Cancel to make the Find and Replace dialog box disappear. Using the Find and Replace command. Besides just finding a word or phrase, we may want to find that text and replace it with the new text. Follow the steps to use the Find and Replace command. Step 1. Click the Home tab and then click the editing icon and then click the Replace command. The Find and Replace dialog box will appear. Step 2. Click in the Find What text box and type a word or phrase to find. Step 3. Click in the Replace with text box and type a word or phrase to replace the text you typed. Step 4. Click the More button and choose any additional options. Step 5. Click one of the following buttons. Replace replaces the currently highlighted text. Replace All searches and replaces text in the entire document. Find Next searches from the current cursor location to the end of the document. Step 6. Click Cancel to make the Find and Replace dialog box disappear. Page orientation. Page orientation is the way in which a rectangular page is oriented for normal viewing. The two most common types of orientation are portrait and landscape. Sometimes page orientation for a particular page has to be different from the rest of the document. Usually the whole document has the portrait orientation, but for a page with the big table, it is more convenient to use the landscape orientation. Follow the steps to change the page orientation. Step 1. Select pages or paragraphs to change to portrait or landscape orientation. Step 2. On the Layout tab, in the Page Setup group, click Margins. Step 3. Click Custom Margins in the bottom of the list. Step 4. In the Page Setup dialog box, on the Margins tab, choose Portrait or Landscape orientation. Step 5. In the Apply to list, choose Selected Text. Step 6. Click OK. Adding margins. Word automatically sets a 1-inch page margin around each page. We can also customize or choose predefined margin settings as setting margins for facing pages, allow extra margin space for document binding, etc. Follow the steps to set margins. Step 1. Click the Layout tab in the ribbon. Step 2. Then click the Margins drop-down button in the Page Setup button group. Step 3. Choose from the preset margin options in the drop-down menu. Step 4. Alternatively, choose the Custom Margins command to open the Margins tab in the Page Setup dialog box. Step 5. In the Margins section, set the margin sizes for the document by using the spinner arrows. Borders and shading. Borders and shading are formatting tools for enhancing text, paragraphs, table cells, or frames. These are used in Word documents when we want some text paragraph to grab the attention of the viewers. Borders are rules we can add to any or all of the 4 sides of a paragraph. Shading is the color or artistic design we use as background for a paragraph. Follow the steps to add the paragraph borders and/or shading. Step 1. Select the paragraph to be modified. Step 2. On the Home tab, in the Paragraph group, choose the Borders list box and then select Borders and Shading. Step 3. To add borders, select the Borders tab in the Borders and Shading dialog box. We can choose the border settings, style, color, and width. We can also change indentions of the borders. To do this, click in the Options button on the right bottom corner and change indentions in the border and shading options dialog box. Step 4. To add shading, select the Shading tab in the Borders and Shading dialog box. We can choose the shading settings, style, and color. Step 5. Click OK. Tech Insights. We should keep saving changes in the file by selecting Save option from the File tab or by pressing Ctrl+S on the keyboard. File created in Word is saved with the file extension .docs. Remember the most commonly used shortcut keys in Microsoft Word. Control plus R. Right align selected text. Control plus A. Select all. Control plus V. Paste text. Control plus B. Bold text. Control plus I. Italic text. Control plus P. Print. Control plus Z. Undo changes in document. F7. Spelling checker. Control plus L. Left align selected text. Control plus C. Copy text. Control plus X. Cut text. Control plus U. Underline text. Control plus H. Replace particular text. Control plus F. Find particular text. Control plus Y. Redo operation. Control plus Shift plus is equal to. Superscript. Control plus is equal to. Subscript. Control plus N. New document. Alt plus F4. Exit. Control plus S or F12. Save document. Control plus O. Open existing document. Control plus W. Close. Data Vault. Word provides different features such as inserting and deleting text, spelling and grammar, thesaurus, find and replace, bullets and numbering, etc. We can quickly and easily add visual appeal to word text using word art. A subscript or superscript is a character that is set slightly below or above the normal line of type, respectively. Find feature of word searches the specific word or phrase through the entire document, whereas replace features replaces the selected text or word with an alternate text. Orientation refers to the direction in which the page is printed. In Word, we can customize or choose predefined margin settings. Borders and shading are formatting tools for enhancing text, paragraphs, table cells or frames. Tech Bytes. Formatting, the art of making the documents effective and attractive. Thesaurus, inbuilt dictionary of word. Unordered, when the order of the list does not matter. Ordered, display the points in a sequence. Margin, the edge or border of something. Borders, rules added to any or all of the four sides of a paragraph. Shading, the color or artistic design used as background for a paragraph.